So guys, Thomas here, Rc-Xtreme, down at the G-Pit with this car. Remember it? It's a Traxxas XRT. It just came from a blue sky and hit me today. You know, I should set the gear mesh on that car. I went into YouTube, checked my playlists, and I haven't touched this car for over a year. So when I took it from the floor and placed it on the bench in the hobby room, there wasn't any problem with the gear mesh. I smoked a tire at the last session. That was the big problem. So oh, what a bus. I'm gonna do a short build breakdown after the bashing. I'm not gonna go too hard on this one. On the car, I mean. Of course I'm gonna use it, of course. Definitely need to be... That did hurt. I got a stone on my freaking teeth. Ooh, can't see jack shit, guys. So it was same with the lipos. It's 2 spring in the rear. Need to check that out. As you can hear, the fans are moving some air. Yep, they are Thunder Rose. Me likey. Oh. Well, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea why I haven't taken this one out more often. Like I said in the previous videos, I could do this all day. You know what they say? No one remembers a coward, guys. Almost got some higher heart rate. What a car. Well, definitely gonna take this one out. I got some ultimate parts that I bought. I'd say oh. It's got it's quite soft there, the landing, so we got the steering links. I'm not sure if it's gonna I will see about that. Front cover, rear cover. It's like I drove this car yesterday. Yeah, what a fun car. Almost. Can't see jack shit, guys. Okay, phone call incoming. Stay tuned. Sorry for that, guys. I doubt I'm gonna be able to make this. Ooh, could have been expensive. Ah. Oh, that didn't sound good, guys. Piece I gotta go. No, I think something's broke in the car. There was some kind of hesitation, so it locked up when I slammed the brake there and then throttled it the instant, so hopefully yeah, we're gonna call it a day, guys. I'm more than satisfied. nothing to talk about. Stay tuned. So, hot lipos. So this is the Traxxas XRT. A lot of goodies installed on this one. First we're gonna start with obvious. Max 5, Hobbywing, a 5687 1100 kV, thunderous fans, used by 4S each. Stock spur. I don't know what the pinion I'm running, to be honest. I don't know what the amount of teeth. Photography radio, M2C Racing motor mount. M2C Racing's extended hex with a classic Traxxas hexes. The chassis brace or bash bar or whatever you want to call it. Their steering bell crank system. And running the WFOed 775 T6 aluminum front knuckle and the rear hub. And of course the center shaft system. The car is an absolute blast to drive. It's been over a year since I drove it and felt like yesterday. Definitely gonna go over the rear shocks, and they have always been too springy, but I didn't felt to change them. Besides that, the servo is a stock one, but with their how you say, cradle to have it in position. M2C Racing, that we say, and beefed up the rear wing mount system. I don't know, or I don't remember what kind of diff oils I'm running, and shock oils. So, and I honestly don't know if I'm running. I don't think I'm running the ZRS on this one. No, I don't think so. Anyway, it's a terrific car. Fun to drive. I got tons of ultimate parts, not tons. I got the cover here. I got the front, I got the rear diff cover, I got the steering bell crank system, both of this one and the Xmaxx that I have home, and same there. The Xmaxx needs a complete overhaul, diffs, everything, and I think I'm gonna change that motor to a smaller one. I don't know, haven't yet decided. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.